Hello and welcome to the Fabrico.Design channel. We develop professional sewing patterns and make them available to every woman. Using our patterns and video instructions, you can easily sew any garment at home and feel like a designer.
Today we are cutting and sewing the Astra Shapewear shorts. These are knee-length shapewear shorts with a double gusset and an elastic waistband. For sewing, you will need the patterns, main fabric, lingerie microfiber, additional fabric, cotton for the inner gusset, a small piece. Matching thread, we have chosen thread in a slightly different shade to make the seams more visible on the garment. Elastic band with a width of 4.5 centimeters, super stretch needles 75, 80, or 70, and sewing accessories. You can find the patterns for this model on our website. Let's start cutting. Be sure to decate the fabric to prevent shrinkage during sewing. Follow the grain line direction, which is indicated on the patterns, and transfer all control points. Please note that our patterns already include seam allowances. After cutting, double-check the number of pieces according to the pattern specifications. From the main fabric, we should have main piece, 2 pieces, gusset, 1 piece, waistband with a fold, 1 piece. From the decorative fabric, we should have gusset, 1 piece. As the main material, we used lingerie microfiber. Single jersey knit is also a great option, both for lingerie and for sports sets. For sportswear, biflex works well. These comfortable shapewear shorts contour to your body. If seam allowances bother you, wear them on the outside, but in this case, place the cotton gusset on the inside when sewing. Sew the front crotch seam on the main piece using an overlocker. To do this, place the pieces right sides together and sew. Press the seam allowances. Place both gusset pieces wrong sides together and secure them with a machine stitch along all edges. Place the gusset from the main fabric right sides together with the front piece and sew using an overlocker. Match all control points. So, if you are concerned that the inner seam might cause discomfort, you can sew it on the right side. In this case, place the inner gusset right side against the wrong side of the main piece. This way, the seam will be on the right side and you will feel more comfortable. Press the seam. This is how it looks from the inside, and this is how it looks on the right side. Sew the back crotch seam on the shapewear shorts using an overlocker. To do this, place the pieces right sides together. Sew and press the seam allowances. If desired, you can insert silicone tape into the seam while sewing to make the seam more durable. Place the shorts right sides together and sew the inseam using an overlocker. Match all notches. Press the seam allowances toward the back piece. Be sure to hide the overlocker thread tails inside the seam. Hide the threads inside the seam using a needle. Press the seam allowances toward the back. The hem of the shapewear shorts can be left raw, but in this case reinforce the seam allowances on both sides. If the fabric does not allow for a raw finish, you can overlock it, stitch it with a double needle, or use a cover stitch machine. Decate the elastic band and cut it to the required length. Then sew it into a ring. Press the waistband along its length in half with the wrong side inside. Then sew the waistband into a ring using an overlocker. Spread the seam allowances in opposite directions. Insert the elastic band into the waistband and secure the lower edge. Align the waistband right sides together with the upper edge of the shorts and attach it using an overlocker. Match all control points. Press the seam allowances toward the garment. Press the finished shapewear shorts. The Astra shapewear shorts are ready.
Thanks for sewing with us. Subscribe to our channel and publish your photos in different social medias and tag us. You can find the link to our website in the description box below the video.